How to find your Facebook user ID and username. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll simply show you how you can find your user ID as well as your username on Facebook. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now the first thing that you have to understand is that user ID and username are different to each other. User ID is a series of letters and symbols that are available for your user account, and username is simply that you have set yourself manually. It is changeable and then you can change whatever you want it to. So first of all, what you want to do is I'll show you how you can find your username, right? So I'll just go ahead and I'll launch your Facebook application. Once I launch your Facebook app, you simply want to come to your profile page by tapping the profile icon over here. And then once you come to your profile page, you want to tap on the three dot icon right over here, as you can see. And as you tap on the three dot icon right over here, you'll be able to see your profile link. Now all of this link is basically not your username. The only thing that is your username is over here. You can see facebook.com/. Anything after this / is actually your username, this one right over here, not this facebook.com. After facebook.com you have the slash, and then the series of name that you have over here is actually your username. Now you can change that if you want to. The other question remains, where do we find our user ID, right? So user ID depends from the apps that you're connecting to on Facebook. For example, I'll just come back and show you. Then I'm going to come to the menu tab over here. Once I come to the menu tab here, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, go to the option called security and privacy, and then here I will go to settings. And then once I go to settings and privacy and go to settings, I have to look for the option that says apps and websites, right? So once I go to apps and websites, you can see different types of social media apps and websites that are connected to my Facebook account. Each of these accounts has different type of user ID for my Facebook account. For example, if I show you the Badoo dating app over here, I'll just tap on it, scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see my user ID. They may need a user ID and it starts from 5 and ends with 6, right? This number right over here is our user ID for this app. But if I show you, let's say TikTok for example, and then I'll scroll down to the bottom, this one is actually different, starts from 5 and ends in 94. Now previously it ended in 6, but this one is a little bit different. Similarly, the different cases for other like Coursera or any of the other Bumble dating app or whatever else it is, the user ID differs from the apps that you're connecting to on Facebook, as you can see right over here as well. But anyway, I hope this video helped you as to how you can find your username as well as your user ID and on Facebook, as well as I also explained you about the differences between the two. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.